Today I will be creating a tutorial on the mind mapping software called Mindomo. Mind maps are used to represent information visually, and I've found that Mindomo is fairly easy to use and has lots of features. We'll begin today by you need to create an account and then you log in. And I like to log in with Google. And next you'll click on Create. I'm going to create a blank mind map and I'm going to name it EDU. And then you hit Create. Today my mind map is going to be on horse anatomy, and I hope to use this one day in a class. So you double click on that or click on it and you type in the word you want in the middle. This is your main subject that you're going to be creating your mind map about. And in the beginning I like to add all my topics first. And today I'll just add 4 subtopics, but you can add as many as you want anytime. You can always add topics. And from here, you can, if you click on this little arrow, this first menu is everything we got right here. Cut, copy, paste. If you click here, it changes the font. You can change the size or bold. This changes your style, and this changes how your bubbles are arranged. So here, if you click on that, everything will be down at the bottom, and that's where I'm going to start today. If you click over here, it'll change like the shape of your little bubbles. So you can do anything you want. I'm going to stick for today with that. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image in here of a picture of horse anatomy, the anatomy of a horse. So here is your multimedia button. You can get images from the web. You can get images you already have saved somewhere. Mindomo has preloaded images. There's YouTube and there's Vimeo, and for today I'm going to search Google images. So I'm going to look for the parts of a horse. And I'm just going to choose one. You can click on it and drag, just put it right there. And then if you click on the picture again, you get this little box around it. Put your pointer there, right click, and you drag it and it'll resize. Okay, another topic, I'm going to talk about the horse's hoof on this subject. So I click down here into my main topic. I'm going to I don't need to add anything there. I'm going to add another image. So I'm going to put an image in of a horse hoof and search. I'm still in Google Images. And I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to drag it over. And then click on the picture in there. Go down to the corner. Right click. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. If you do that, you can drag it too. But I just want to resize for now. So there's my horse hoof. And over here, I think I'll add a little video, and so I'm going to go to YouTube. Like I said, there's also Vimeo. I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to search for a horse galloping. And then there's lots of choices. I'm going to choose this one. You've got it in there. You can make it larger again, like I said. Size on it and get down to there. That's a little too big, so I don't want to move it. I want to keep my little bar there, so I keep the blue line around it. And then I've got there, I'm going to change what it says there, so I double click on my words. I'm going to put in there horse galloping and press enter. And then I have a little video insert. You can click on that and it'll show you a little video with sound. And this one, it says right there, it's YouTube. It lasts 7 minutes, so you have all those choices. And then another feature, you can also add hyperlinks. So I think I'll put some information for my students on this horse hoof one. If you go up here, you have link, add a hyperlink. And I've also already searched, so I've searched on the internet. There's information here. I'm going to copy this URL, go back to here, and go into here, and I'm going to paste in my link and hit enter, and you can see I have a little hyperlink there, and if I click on that, it'll take me back to that web page. And then I think if you can add all kinds, you could, if you wanted to, you could add a topic for each one of these little parts. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want. And it also, if you click off of here, you add more topics. If you click off of here, you can add subtopics. So if I click there, I could, if I wanted to put my another video, say maybe about a horse hoof down here or anything you want, and then you can do, like I said, anything. And if I wanted to change the way the layout is, I go up here and click here again. If you do want to change it where everything floats off to the side, you can do that. They can put it in a circle where everything just, sizes around and down and around. But I'm going to keep mine like this. You can move your thing all over the screen by just two-finger clicking on your mouse. And then when you're finished, you have everything you want in there, you can share it. And if here's up here, you got this choice. It's always auto-saved. So I always check that, but it does save, it's just habit. But you got all kinds you got shortcuts tools, you can print it, lots of different choices. This just gives you different themes. You can insert relationships, which does that. Like if you want to link something up with something else. For now, we're just going to share it. And it's just like in a Google Doc. You just type the address you want to share to, or you can get a link to edit the map to share just the link if they don't have Google account. Type it in, click done, and it's shared. And then you can add if they want somebody to edit with you, you can have it so they can edit, and you can collaborate together, and you can make a Mindomo map for your class.